Okay, sorry for that. I needed to take a call. So we're back. I did took the opportunity to speak with my father a bit. So we brought the premium version for 1 month. I do want to buy the full version for unlocking all the things that we are gonna do today to be forever on the stream. So if you do want to help out, you have the PayPal link below on the stream. So currently we do have meltdown, so you can type !meltdown. We can type !color followed by the color, and now it's working again. And then we have the blind, which is actually solar flare. Actually, I'm gonna rename that to be actually solar flare. So let's do that. Okay. Solar flare. And this is not color. Now, right now it's a reaction. We can no, we can change this one to color, and let's make it white as well. So please type !solar flare. Wait a second. I can move this once to not go exactly in my eyes because I'm gonna get blind. So type in the chat !solar flare to test it out. Oh, wait a second. It wasn't actually connected to YouTube, so sorry about that. Now I can try it again. Ned.
Solar flare!
Everything turns white in the camera. Solar flare! I don't know why it's still doing 2 times the command. So over here, everything is turned actually twice. So for example, on the solar, oh, you can type color followed by the other color to change from white to anything you want in the background there. I'm gonna try to see why this one triggers 2 times. Okay, so that works nicely, Ned. That's great. Lights. Okay, the lights are here. The plugs are here for start. Manage start key light smart plugs. Will be fired when this command is triggered. Okay, so this is done. And it goes to off when the alert finishes, but it's going 2 times. So it's going to open. And then, hey Barb, I'm not playing. I'm just tuning my my stream over here with the Lumia stream, the software that we are actually trying to buy the full version of it. So valid dynamic default. Skip replay for chatbot. Keep replay for. Why do I have a replay? Skip replay for audio. Command runner. Let's skip all the replays. What the hell? Can somebody type try again solar flare? Let's see if it's just once. You cannot type color RGB. That should be just a separate command. So let's actually do that. Reaction RGB you love it twice?
Solar flare!
It still blinks once, but the audio it's not turning back, so it's still doing this twice. But the audio it's not replaying, so I don't know. I'm gonna try to see what's doing that. So okay, so RGB it's currently on. Hey Daniel, how are you doing? Thank you, Barb. Thank you so much. Yeah, solar flare. It's a thing in Dragon Ball Z or Dragon Ball, whatever you watch, where it actually blinds the other people. Don't type color RGB, Barb. It's just the exclamation mark RGB to actually work that one. Okay, so let's go back in the solar flare and see why this goes twice. So I have start, we have end. Okay. Then we have the command runner, start with end. We don't have this. Keyboard, OBS, custom JavaScript if I want to do some special code over here. Nice, Daniel. Okay, so we have Lumia actions, write file, chatbot message. Ooh, oh. When you have the full version, you cannot see. When you have the full version, you can do a lot of stuff. You just can do a lot of stuff. Permanent default, what's this? To make this command to be a permanent default anytime it's triggered? No. Valid dynamic, when dynamic default on, this command can be a valid default. To change, well, I'm not gonna make it the valid dynamic default. Okay, so let's apply that. And let's see again the solar flare. Hey, Vivek. Yeah, it was 20 years ago. Kamehameha. Who's Master Roshi? Like in the chat right now. It was a kid when it started. Okay, so let me try solar flare. I don't want to see it once.
Solar flare! Solar flare!
No, it still does 2 times. Still does it 2 times and still changes the color to white there. Oh, I know. I think because I do have the dynamic default on. Because it's trying to set the command to the dynamic default, and that's why it runs 2 times. So let's see now. There we go. And then it turns back to the color in the background, so that's good. So let's test the meltdown. Okay, that's cool. So that's exclamation mark meltdown. Give me ideas. Give me some ideas. I think it's a bit loud, right? I think it's over my voice, so let's actually turn it a bit lower than my voice at least. Or, well, let's place the microphone in front of my mouth. It's gonna be a lot better. Well, it's the meltdown. It's like a nuclear thing exploded and the alarm goes off, and you can trigger that as a command. So, any other things that we need to add over here? When I miss a shot, what should happen when I miss a shot? What, this meltdown? Nah. I would love to, when the meltdown happens, to do something like this. To also turn my my lightning off, but unfortunately the lightning, it's not smart. And it goes into my PC on a USB port. I'm currently trying to I don't know, just for fun. Currently it's just for fun, Vivek. You're gonna have to figure it out. Lights out. Yeah, lights out. Like I said, I have a ring that oh, it's too bright. Okay, that's good enough. Well, the thing is with the game won't gonna change. The game gonna still be there. You can abuse as much as you like. I don't mind. I can actually trigger to not hear this kind of sounds. So let's see what else we can do. So for example, I can go and make another reaction. So we're gonna say breathe. And we're gonna go color from this one to go black, and then just repeat. Circle duration 1 second. So I'm gonna just gonna breathe some a bit fast. Let's go in 2 seconds. Okay, I like that. I'm gonna pick that as a default state, so we can go here and say not seen, animation breathe, and let's see. I don't think we do have it. So default state, animation breathe, it's not really working. Scene, fuse. The fuse thing, I didn't understand it. So this is what it happens on the fuse. Oh, the breathe, it's not doing anything. Ah, okay. And I want this pinky purplish. Let's set it back to breathe. So Refresh. Hey, there we go. We can keep it like that. No. We're gonna keep it with one color. I'm always gonna look over there if it's doing like that. Sunburst of color for a Holy One or Eagle. Sunburst, like rainbow. Let's go try to automate it. Any pop sound for going in the rough or bunker? Hey, grandson. Okay, so let's do that. So let's create a rainbow. I'm gonna go and start with the red. And we're gonna add colors as we go for the whole spectrum. Oh, you're not seeing all the colors that I'm doing. There you go. Wait a second. This one should be here. And then it goes back to red. So if we tested it, I'm gonna do like this. Okay, I'm gonna try to go circle duration to be 1. Let's test it. That's a bit too fast, so let's go 2. Let's go 3, a bit slower. Okay. And let's try to find a sound for that as well. Oh, sorry. Should we place this one? when we do that? Hey, Took. I don't need luck. We're trying to enhance the stream. I need something not so long. Six seconds. Intruder alert. No. Why do we have that? I said party. Oh, because it... Ah, okay, my bad. Celebrate. Let's see what we have. We have this one for 17 seconds. That's too much. Just need something like... No, that's explosions. No, that's balloon. Balloon inflating balloons. What the hell? Inflating balloons. What's this? No. Why did I place balloons? Okay. Frictional balloons. Hey, Arnie. Don't try the commands. So, the nice thing is we're gonna have two different set of commands. One that you can see those in the chat, and the ones from here. Circle is to fly. Okay, unintended issues. Okay, so it requires 3.5 seconds. Okay, I understand that. So, for example, if I go to commands, we have the commands page. Where's the commands page? So instead of rainbow, we're gonna call that... how are we gonna call the rainbow stuff? When we place it in, you guys said that this should be a light shout for a missed shot. I'm gonna say goal. Okay, let's do that. And let's place a sound for that as well. This is 15 seconds. It's a bit too long. So 9 seconds. Hey, Tom. So another one, 10 seconds. Okay, we'll use this one. So let's go on the audio. Okay, let's go to general. This will gonna last for the sound lasting, so it's gonna be 10 seconds. So I can type exclamation mark goal there, Barb. Yep, that goes with goal. So it's already created, so you can try it out. Okay. I'm gonna create some other stuff on that. Oh, it run 2 times. So let me try to do some stuff with the camera over here, because I wanted to interact with some filters as well on the camera. So let me go on the filters. And do we have no, we don't have shaders. It's not a shader. Let me look up for it. Okay, so let's see. Share filter. Shader filter. So it is a shader. Okay, so let's add the shader filter. Currently, you're not gonna see my my camera for a bit. Give me a second. Transition, spin blur, color shift, luma burn. Let's actually try these things. Siding bars. Oh, why doesn't apply to this thing? Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Rotation, redmond seed. Technique draw. So I guess it's not this one. It's not the shader. I think it was called user shader or something like that. And I don't think I have the plugin, so let me just download it. The plugin, it's called Shader Fielder. Currently they are on version 1.2. So these two needs to go here. The thing is, I need to restart the OBS, so we're gonna just see for a short bit, like the buffering. Don't go anywhere. I'm gonna be just right back. Okay, so we should be back on, I guess. Are we back on? Tell me if I'm back on. I'm seeing the chat, it's moving. I'm not seeing if I'm live or not. Oh yeah, I'm live. Okay, good. So I added the plugin. So now I have a user-defined shader, which is a lot cool. Hey Zahid, I'm doing some stuff over here. So I'm gonna rename this one to be like Goal. to know exactly what I'm doing, and use effects from file. So let me browse for it. And we have oh, what's with this matrix effect? The camera is not there anymore, right? It's not. So I'm doing something wrong over here. So if I open it, load shader from text file. Let me look a bit. Ah, okay. Okay, so use from file. But why don't I have the rest of it? Sound it's falling out a bit. I don't know. I have no idea. So if I use from file, it doesn't really work. Return image sample. Why did I do wrong? Let's check. Oh, that's one. I don't know if you remember this one. It was I was created back in the days. It was frozen, and it was some effects. Let's actually add a different one. So do we have zoom? And it doesn't do anything. Oh, there it is. We need to increase the magnitude. Let's go to 20. Oh my. 10. That's way too much. Woo. So 5. 4. Speed percent. Gonna go to 100. Okay, so we can do that. And now, when you go over here and type goal, let's modify that to go also in the OBS and to use source. Source mute, source row, source filter, source visibility. So I want the source to be a camera. Username display, username of the sender, blah 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 blah. And filter. Scene or source filter visibility set. Scene collection set. Streaming toggle. We can do this on a different. So we're gonna go on Betty. Hey Betty, how are you doing, Betty? Gonna go on commands and add the same command over here. And what it will gonna do, it'll gonna do exactly that that filter. So give me a second. time source. I cannot just open filters. It's just scenes. Scenes and that's it. No filters for this one. Okay, so this is crap. I just wanted to do everything in the same command. So I still think that this one we're gonna do it better. So OBS, I'm gonna try to do, let's see, source visibility set, source filter. So we're gonna go with it's called camera, and the filter it's goal. So test. So camera and filter it's goal. Let me double check that. That's camera and the filter it's goal. Okay. Source filter visibility. Doesn't really work. Scene collection, source text, virtual transition set, streaming toggle. Oh, I know what I can do. Wait a second. I know what I can do. Can we actually do 2 cameras at the same time? So give me a second. I need another scene. Okay, so now I cannot have the same camera 2 times. It doesn't show up. So I can add the scene with this one, but it doesn't show anything because it doesn't work. Oh, you thought it was opening round today, Grandson? Hey, Alan. I'm doing fine. I'm trying to, you know, add more stuff to the stream. You can try with solar flare. You can try with meltdown. You can try with gold. Gold, it's actually what we are working in currently. I didn't test it yet, Offer. But I know some of the courses in Tour 9, it's actually the course that we are playing on the tournament now. Okay. Good. Good, but not good. Because I do have the camera over here, and it doesn't really work. So let me try to do something. Let me try to duplicate the camera. So copy, and now paste it. Now I have another camera over here. And I should have actually 2 cameras. Okay, so now I have 2 cameras. And I only want on one to add the filter, but as you can see, I have the filters, it's shared on both of them. So I need to make one to be distinct, but using the same camera. How do you set up a dual stream, by the way? Do you put Discord window as a source? Yes, I do put the Discord window as a source, and then I'm cropping it down. Yeah, mirror. Paste reference. I cannot duplicate it. That's currently the issue. I cannot duplicate it. So if I go and add a camera, it's just gonna say that it's not gonna be added. Hey Jackie, thank you so much. That's definitely gonna help. Hope you're feeling better. How are you feeling, by the way? Those lights were for the super chat. We're gonna have to modify that to be a bit more fun for donating to the channel. You're at home. Nice. Glad to hear that. Glad to hear that you're at home and you're feeling better. Okay, so dual filters on. No. One camera, two sources in OBS. Ah, okay. I actually found what I needed. So give me a second.
As you can see here, I have a circular webcam now that fits the overlay. Perfect, perfect. There you go. Now it fits. Now I should be ready to stream, but wait a second. If I go back to my intermission, here's the issue. The effects are going to be applied everywhere. Now if you're doing color correction, you want the webcam to be sharper.
Okay.
And now in the intermission screen, I'm going to add that scene instead of adding
Was up underscore 43 TRGB Sarah.
scene, and then we're gonna find our webcam full scene, right? Add it, place it underneath the intermission screen.
Hey, how are you doing, Jim Bob? Okay, so I'm gonna have to delete the camera from everywhere. So this will gonna last for a while, and I have to switch the scene, so you're not gonna hear me for a bit. So I'm gonna still be seeing the chat, so be right back. Need to delete this from here. Okay, camera is still here. Need to delete it from here as well. Going to the next scene. Also in here, this is dual stream setup. Where are you, camera? Oh, there you are. Triple stream setup. I have the camera over there. Another camera over here. I don't know if... I don't know if I have the camera over here. This is where I'm actually doing my walkthroughs. I think you can tell that. And I don't have a camera. Okay, moving on. Over here, I don't know if I have the camera or not. Let me check. Looks like I don't. The thing is, I cannot find it anymore, but it's still there. So if I go here on the video capture device, I still see the camera. So I don't know where it is. I'm still gonna have to search for it. Hey, how are you doing, Big Mike? Try it again. Sorry. I still cannot find it. Where is it? Here is definitely deleted. Over here as well. There's no camera over here. Hey, Fabio. So this is dual stream setup. But I did remove it from here and also from triple stream. So let me go. So I still have the camera over here. I don't know where that is it. I think it's here somewhere. It's somewhere where it's... Oh, found it. It's here. Okay, so now if I go on video capture... No, I still have it. What the hell? I found it here, and I thought this was the last place. But apparently there is in one more place, and I don't know where it is. Oh, found it here as well. So let's see. Video capture device. Yay, finally. Okay, so we created the scene over here where we have only the camera. So we're gonna, instead of importing the camera itself, I'm gonna import the scene that contains the camera, which in my case it's scene 4. And now I can play with it. I can trim it. can place it where I want. And then I can actually import it again. Scene 4. And as you can see, this one is streamed and one is not. And if I go on filters and add, I don't know, chroma key filter, even if I don't have, this one shouldn't have the same filter. Well, it does have the same filter. What the heck? It's just the this thing. So if I go and add the same one, the user defined shader for, yeah, both of them will gonna get it. Yeah, unfortunately, I cannot do it. I thought we can, but we can't. How we can add a filter to be activated by a command in the chat? Oh, you're talking about cars over there. I do have an Audi A4. Love my car. Do like it a lot. And again, we are in the same situation where the camera is washed up. So let me go on the settings on the camera. Okay, and then let's add some filters on it. So I cannot copy and paste duplicate either. Hey, Big Mike. Thank you. Thank you so much. 18 months, my oldest member. And you didn't even change the level in all this period of time. Thank you so much, buddy. You're one of the best supporters, and not just for this channel, for all the channels and the community. Thank you so much, buddy. So, oh, I think I know. I think I can, if I can place it with the up deck or touch portal. Does this one have integration with touch portal? Let me check. Will this one have integration with touch portal? Oh, it does have. Oh my god, touch portal. If you don't know touch portal, I'm gonna just download it right now. Oh, Jackie. Thank you so much, Jackie. You're only 18, Ned? Really? That's why my when I go on my Google Analytics to see who's watching me and my age, that's why I'm seeing just one from 18 age. Well, it's not just one, but most of us are 30 plus years over here. So touch portal. We're gonna learn something new. So I'm gonna download it for Windows and install it. All the donations go to this piece of software over here called Lumia Stream. We're trying to raise $150 to get the full version forever. I did pay for 1 month right now, but I just wanted to have it always. Oh, thank you so much, Granson. Thank you so much. Get some booms in the chat for Granson. You also have the link to the PayPal on the description of this video. You can send it through there, and won't gonna be charged by YouTube, which takes away 30%. Plus, after that, around 15% taxes for a Romanian country, which is really interesting. I paid it once. Oh no! It requires me to restart the computer. Really? Why the hell I need a computer restart for what? I don't really think I need a computer restart. Create a new page, a button is automatically added to go back to the main page action. Okay. Yeah, I gave already access. You're ready. Okay, let's start. So, this is touch portal. So, I have mic. So if I place, click on mic here, you have, let me place it over the other side so you can see it. You can have events, what to do and what not to do, right? So like mute and unmute, like toggle effects and stuff like that. It's like a bit of a programming. So I'm gonna go and add a button. I'm gonna go and say run and open navigation input utility, file ID. So run and open start application, no. Navigation, go to page, go to URL, input, utility, lock computer, no. Oh, OBS, okay. So we have source visibility, set source filter. So this is what I need. OBS is not set up in touch portal. So next, download Parkit's OBS WebSockets. I already did and installed it. Click on the link below on the bottom of the page. I did after installation. Fill the same password. I don't have a password. I don't have a password. Waiting on plugin response. I do have it. It's over here. So, for example, if I go on WebSocket server settings, I do have this thing here. I think that's why we need a PC restart to actually make this one work. So let me open the guide. Installing WebSocket. Oh, we already have that. Enable system trace alerts. Setting OBS. Oh, okay. So let's go. I think we needed to go over here first. Settings. OBS. Where's the settings? Okay, so here we should have settings, and here we have OBS, And we don't have it to 444 set up. I think we do have a different port created. So where's the WebSocket? 4447. Okay, so 4447. Need a password. Now let's try to create again. So we're gonna go to OBS and we're gonna go to set source filter, turn on source, which is scene 4. It doesn't work with that. Okay, let me actually do something else. So I'm gonna go and delete. Okay, and add the camera as it was before, because it didn't work either. Oh, okay, Ned. Bon appetit, buddy. So let's add here camera. And now everything gets set to default. Let's go custom. Let's increase the resolution. Let's go 60 frames per second. Video format any, default, color range. So I think it's 709 color space, and this is full color range. So now it's looking good. Okay. So let's click OK on that. Now we have to trim it again and place it big here. And now let's go on filters. Let's add the filter to actually not look washed up like a normal webcam it is. So I'm gonna go in color correction, and I'm gonna increase the contrast a bit. I'm gonna decrease the gamma. I'm gonna decrease the brightness, not by much. And I'm gonna increase the saturation a bit to those colors to pop up. Okay, so this is looking good. I want this to be black. And I'm seeing like dots of... Oh, it's because of the lighting in the back. Lighting in the front. Let's see if we can do something else. This is way too black, right? Or no, it's looking good actually. Let me change my t-shirt and see how other t-shirt looks like. So red looking red. Looks good. Okay, so I like the settings. Hey, Nicholas. Yeah, I'm multiplication over here. So let's click close. Let's leave it like this. This is called camera. Let's go into touch portal. I'm gonna say turn on source, which is camera. Not camera frame. Okay, let's go back. Maybe it needs a refresh or something. So let's close. Let's create again. OBS set source filter. And we have camera now. It doesn't show camera. Screenshot, connect to OBS. Media source, restart. Set source visibility. Let's see. Not connected to OBS. Check settings. Really? But I did connect it to OBS. Old Palings currently using an old version of blah blah blah. Okay. Get version. Oh, the WebSocket changed. Okay, I got it. Okay, I need to download the new WebSocket. Darn! That means I need to restart the OBS again. I don't know if I'm gonna play anything. I should actually play a bit. So I'm gonna have to close OBS for a second to install this, and we're gonna be right back afterwards. So give me a second. Okay, so we should be actually back live. Well, let me check if that's true. Looks like that's true. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a setting. So let me bring this one here. So you see, this is let me make my camera a bit smaller in order to fit it better. So you see here on my live stream OBS Studio, on the stream settings, I made the enable auto start and auto stop I turn it to off. So when I quit OBS, it doesn't automatically turn off my stream. It just makes it buffering, so it gives me a lot of time to be able to connect back to the same stream instead of actually having to create a new one. So that's how I'm doing, closing the OBS and then restarting it back without actually, closing the stream all over. So now I have the new WebSockets in, and let's see if I'm okay. OBS save. Well, now let's see. OBS set filter, set source filter, and we do have camera. Turn on source camera. Okay, so that's source visibility. Let's close it. Let's go again so we can find it. Set source filter. Camera. I think we need to make it a lot bigger. The filter. Okay, so we're gonna go and add our filter, which is user defined shader, and we're gonna call it GAL, like the command. I'm gonna go and use it from file. This is the zoom blur effect. We're gonna go with this magnitude of 6. I think it's good enough. I'm gonna go with 2000 speed effect, or maybe just 3 and on magnitude level, or just 2. This looks good. Like, it's all party over here. So we're gonna leave it like that and make it stop. So I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna close it because it doesn't know that we added again. So OBS set source filter. I'm gonna go to camera. I'm gonna go to goal and set it on and go save. And button text and on event. You don't add events on hold, on pressed. Save. So now I have it here. And if I go ahead and device not connected. Lightning software. That's I don't know who's that. That's Colin? Who's that? I just received the PayPal. And I think I already I forgot about it. Hey David. Oh, it was you? It was you, wasn't it? Thank you so much. Definitely needed. So we have this one. Ethernet, USB connection. Oh, it's not connected to the phone. It doesn't need to be connected to the phone. So paste, copy, import, delete button. Can I open it on the fly? So it is a 192.168.0.111. This will not gonna give me nothing. Okay, then port 1, it's 12134. No, and it's 12135 then. One 192.168.0.111, which is not correct, doesn't work. Darn, I thought I didn't needed to, but I need to install the app also on my phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Install the touch portal. I already had it. Oh, I already have it installed. Connection using Wi-Fi. IP address for... Oh, I have to type it over here. So 0.111. Okay. Okay, so I have the goal thing over here on the phone, and if I click it, it opens this one, but it doesn't stop it. So I need to set a filter off as well as a command over here. So let's get into it. Turn on pressed, on event, on hold, visual change on event. There's no events. Use the menu on the left to add them. OBS. Event on recording, on screen selected, CPU update, icon, utility, logic, wait for timer, dynamic text updater, if settlement. Okay, so maybe I can place a utility or logic. So if statement. If this button state is on, turn goal to on. Else, we have a... Oh, it's if else. Okay, so can you go here? Yeah. So this you can delete it. Delete action. Hey. Delete selected action. Yes. Delete all actions. Okay, thank you. So we're gonna place an if else over here. I'm gonna say if this button state is on, then I'm gonna go into OBS and say set filter. Or can we go toggle? Repeat X times. Stop execution. No. Okay, so if else. Okay, so let's place this one. Set source filter. Oh, not two of them. It doesn't select one. Oh, we need two of them anyways. So I'm gonna go on camera. I'm gonna place the goal to on, else gonna place the camera, the goal to off. I'm gonna have a button text. We're gonna make actually an icon. I'm gonna say from file, downloads, there we go. And then save. So now if I click it, oh, something is wrong, didn't work out. I'm clicking it and the goal, it's not going on. So on pressed. Yeah, it's turn this to on. Oh, it's if it's off, turn it to on. Then turn this to off. Let's see now. Yeah, but now it's on and it's not stopping it. Okay, so let's stop it by force. So it's on. And we're gonna go and say also change button state to on. Else turn it to off. And where's the change button state? To off. Save. Let's see now. Nice. So I can trigger it by this thing, and now I can connect the touch portal to the lighting system. So I'm gonna go here and add a new connection. We're gonna go and say touch portal. That's why I like the software. It's having so many integrations. That if I wanted to actually download plugin. Get started with Touch Portal. Download plugin, download page, download icon pack. Oh, we want download icon pack. First, we need the plugin to be installed. Restart Touch Portal to activate the plugin. Okay, so we're gonna have to restart this. All not supported version detected. A device Touch Portal device has connected runs an old version of Touch Portal. Use update the mobile app to have full functionality. If you do not update, you may experience issues using Touch Portal. Okay, maybe I'm gonna talk with them to actually make an update on this. I need to close it. Oh, it's minimized. It's not closed. So I'm gonna have it here. I'm gonna say exit, and then I'm gonna open it again. Always trust. Okay, so let's test the button again. That works. Let's go in here. Icon pack. Next. So we have the Touch Portal over here. And we can go on the commands and on the edit here. And I have commands runner. No. Happy. Get post, get action. No. Twitch, Lumia, chatbot, devices, light, aliases. I think I need to go to the connection to see what's inside here. So edit, download plugin. I did download the plugin, didn't I? Restart Touch Portal to activate the plugin. I already did. Changes that require a refresh. Okay, so how can I add on my commands to be connected to Touch Portal now? Because this is really interesting. It wasn't you, David? Okay, who donated it to PayPal? Thank you so much. Dynamic default not to be used for reactions, animations, no light change or build-ups. Permanent default cannot be used for reactions. Yeah. Aliases, cooldowns, lights, audio, devices and smart. No. Text to speech, chatbot, Lumia actions, type, set command, update variable, write file. No. Twitch actions. I don't have it connected to Twitch. Happy, command runner, key and mouse outputs. Long press for the game where the key needs to hit longer. OBS. Custom JavaScript. Oh, I have Lumia stream over here. Okay, so I have it over here instead. Toggle Lumia on off. Toggle stream mode. Set to default state. Clear queue. Set text to speech. Send chatbot message. Activate command. Oh, you did, grandson? Oh, okay. It was Ned. Thank you so much, Ned. Thank you so much. He sent me a message that he sent something. Okay, so how I can do that via the... So not Lumia we're gonna activate. It's this thing we're gonna activate the Lumia command. So on pressed, on event. On event I can go on input. Press and hold key. So I can place like let's say control or and left control. Add. Press and hold. There's only press, low level key press. Okay, there's low level key press. So I can do control and end. Okay. So I can delete this thing. Oh, I need to delete everything. So I know what to do. So I'm gonna go and say virtual key press. So gonna be like wait a second, low level key press. So it's and control. So on this event, action does not have a parent event. Actions on the event tab will only be executed if they are linked to an event. Oh really, this is an action? Darn, I need an action before. There isn't an on key press. So I cannot activate an event on key press. Oh, but I know what to do. Wait a second. I don't think I need anything except OBS. So I can go here on this thing and can say Lumia actions. Can press a key for me. Command runner. No. Key mouse outputs. Okay, keyboard combination. Key bind. So I'm gonna go control and end. Okay, so add. Apply. Refresh. So now I'm gonna go on OBS and I'm gonna go on hotkeys. And I'm gonna place over here, I don't need the up deck. We have on the games scene. So let's find the game scene through dual stream. The game scene on the camera. There's the camera. Need to go directly on the camera. So where is the camera? Camera. Okay, so I have mute. What the hell? I don't need mute. I need filters. Show Elgato Mic, show tournament logo, show hide. I need filters. Filters to be triggered by commands. I cannot do filters. Key bindings. OBS filter hotkeys. There we go. I knew that this is not just me. So it was created on October 23. There's a plugin called OBS filter hotkeys. And we're gonna go and download it. Download source code and extract. Filter hotkeys Lua. Let me read this one. So setup, download scripts, add via tools, scripts, button, path to script. Okay. Good. So we're gonna get these two. So video and audio. I'm gonna go into my OBS again. This is gonna require another OBS restart. So plugins. This is the plugins, but we actually need a script. So I'm gonna create a folder here. These are scripts for OBS. And I'm gonna show you how to actually add one. So let's make my camera a bit smaller because I'm covering all the screen. So you're going here on the tools and you have scripts on OBS. And if you click it, you see that I have the updeck script already included. So I'm gonna go over here and say Python settings, I do have it. I'm gonna go plus, and oh, this is front-end tool scripts. There's already some of them over there, but we created our own folder under the OBS here. So I have filter hotkeys audio. And we also have the filter hotkeys video. And that should be it. Let's see now how it does work. So screenshot, filter hotkeys. Okay, color source, activated, deactivated. Set up the tool, scripts, button, add path to script. Select source with filters, add filter hotkey filter to it. Add filter hotkey. But becoming a bit complicated here. Add filter hotkey. There is something like that. Filter hotkeys video. Oh. And what this should do. This is just turns the freaking camera on and off. Before adding hotkey filter, make sure to add filters. Delete hotkey filter from the source before uploading it in scripts menu. Delete hotkey filter. Okay, so let's go into settings and see if the if here oh, OBS stopped working a bit. Camera goal 1203. What's 1203 means? In settings, bind each node. 0 means disable, 1 means enable. Okay, so I want to place control and control end. Apply OK. And if I type control end, it won't gonna work. Okay, so let me try again. Oh, what's this? Oh, because it has the same one twice. We cannot have twice the same thing, right? So control and delete. Then. So control and control delete. Good. So now I'm gonna go here and say goal. I'm gonna go and do keyboard output, and it was control and now we're gonna do another key binding, which is control delete. So add a command. So the control and was gonna start it, control delete we're gonna stop it. So we're gonna remove this one. We're gonna have to go over here and say, so control and start, control delete stop, control delete, add command, apply. Oh, now control delete, it starts and stops. What? Okay, so let's refresh that. Somebody can type exclamation mark goal now to test it out. Oh, where's my camera? Wait a second. Wait. There it is. So type exclamation mark goal. Let's see if it works. Hello? Anybody there? Yeah, I'm gonna have to do it. Oh, I think it. I refreshed it and it disconnected from the stream. So let me. Yeah, definitely. So let's do it again. It didn't work. So the colors worked, but the camera didn't work. So let me go back over here. So key mounts, it has the combination for the start control and. With control and, I'm gonna do that. But I think if I go on a different place and do, it still works. So test control and. Command will be triggered in 2 seconds. Doesn't really need to have the. Oh. Oh, I got it. So let's test it. So if the OBS is not selected, it's not really gonna work. I need to have the OBS to be selected in order to activate that and place my camera to the last position possible, because that's gonna be selected. So let's test it again. Oh crap. Come on, test it again. Oh, it just moves the camera to the bottom. Let's select a different thing. Now it's not working. Control and should be doing this. Okay, so OBS type. Virtual cam start, virtual cam toggle transition, set duration streaming start, studio mode, blah blah. Screen replay, recording profile, set, media stop, delay, mute source. No. So even if it has this keyboard combination in place, but this is awkward because if I press it over here, it works, and I'm not having the OBS selected. It's just a key binding. But if I test it on here, it doesn't work. No. This is awkward. And it does work when I press it. Pro upgrade. I don't need the touch portal anymore. Let's do this. If input. Oh, this is only buttons. This is only buttons. On state change, on stream mode change, on fuse change. On Lumia turns on. This is on event. Okay, I don't care. We're gonna remove the touch portal. I don't really like it. We do have the up deck. So the best way to remove a program in Windows, it's over here. If you want to remove also all the dependencies. I don't know how it was removed, but I still have it over there. So I'm not trusting my computer at this moment. I'm gonna go manually and search for it. Not over here. You see the touch portal? It's still over here. So I'm manually gonna permanently delete it. And also going on the task manager, I'm gonna go on startup and see if it's over here touch portal. It's not, which is good. So it doesn't start automatically on Windows Start. So why the hell this doesn't work? But we did made... Oh, wait a second. I think I can do something. Can I? I think we did it with chatbot, if I remember correctly. Scene, source, time scene, time source. This is not here. If used parameters, see available parameters. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so it's not here. Yeah, we just have time sources. But I know for sure that we had the freeze command. I don't know if it's still here. No, it's not. Of course not. I forgot how to place filters. And that's why maybe I need actually to create a... Or it was pressing keys. I think it was pressing keys. Maybe that's how we did it. So Lumia cannot do it, but maybe this one can. So actions, this is response in the chat. And this is a sound file that we can play. Thinking about it. This shouldn't cost anything to use it. Okay, for some of you guys, this is definitely boring. But I am trying to improve the stream, so if you like it, fine. If not, also fine. So I want to activate this one. And it works with this. And it doesn't work with this. Maybe let's place a different combination of keys. So let's say over here to place on the key mouse outputs to delete this this one. Set it on. Oh, this is long press. We don't need long press. So let's add, we're gonna go Q, W, E, and R. No, not R. Thank you so much, Matthew. How are you doing, buddy? So needs Shift R. Okay. Let's go Shift R. Add a command. And let's go over here. I'm trying to do some stuff. I know that for a lot of guys it's boring. I know that some of you guys will gonna find it useful. So I'm gonna delete this. Oh, just delete it. And this one gonna be Shift R. Apply. Okay. And let's test it. Come on. Doesn't work. Shift R. Yeah, Shift R. It's toggling the animation on and off, and it's working fine if I press it. But when this presses it, it doesn't do anything. Okay, we refreshed it. Maybe that was the issue, but I don't think so. So let's type exclamation mark goal. Matthew, are you a fan of Dragon Ball Z? Yeah, the lights change, but this doesn't happen. So this should have happened in the same time, but it doesn't go like that. So if you are a fan of Dragon Ball Z, type exclamation mark solar flare. And you'll see what happens. Gonna blind me for a bit. Give me a solar flare. So with exclamation mark, of course, because it's a command. In one word, MBS, in one word. I cannot have...
Solar flare!
Oh my god. Oh. That's a solar flare. So everything lights up in the room when you do that. And we also have the meltdown. I still didn't made this one to go off the ring that it's lightening my face. So if you type exclamation mark meltdown, it's the second command that we added, and it's of course in the same word. Okay. It's like in Dragon Ball Z, we're gonna say over 9,000, over level 9,000. I turned the lights myself, this one at least. I'm still working to figure it out from Windows how to disable a USB port, because the lights coming on my computer, and these are stupid lights. It's not like something smart that we already have. So that's the meltdown. But we need to do something about the goal over here to actually place... control filters in OBS with hotkeys. I know that. How to set up in the chatbot. What's with this? WebSocket API, OBS, WebSocket, blah, blah, blah. This is exactly what we have it. OBS Studio documentation is in progress. Blah blah blah. Okay. Yeah. Since we're tweaking settings, I would like to point out that in either your camera or the lights are not leveled. Well, yeah, the lights are like 30 degrees up. So it's not exactly in front, because in front I have the monitor. So in order to have the lights up, or not up, just to place in my face, it's yeah, I cannot place it any lower than that. The first, we can do something different. Well, I'm currently on the smart, so I can place another light from the side to cover you know, the missing light from that part, but I wanted that for the solar flare. Like the lights behind you are on an angle. Oh, you mean my camera, it's not aligned with the background? Well, that's because my monitor is... Nope, the other way around. A bit more. Come on. Did I nail it? The webcam is on the monitor. I don't have a stand for the camera, right? So maybe now that's leveled. Or looks like it's leveled. But doesn't look like my monitor it's leveled now. So it's like I'm falling on this direction. Yeah. Sorry for your perfectionist there, but I prefer to have my monitor straight. Now it's a bit inclined. Yeah, it's I have the ring. Let me show you, actually. So let me connect my tablet for a second to have a different angle camera, right? Where's the iPad capture? There it is. So, for example, there's my ring there, and there's my camera. And a lot of cables. Don't watch on those. It's not done yet. So this is one of the lights that is doing the solar flare. This is the other light that is doing solar flare, and this is the background that you are actually seeing. Well, I don't know. This camera looks bad and it's zoomed. Okay. So that's currently how it's set up. I'm on your phone, but you have a 27. Yeah, I love the curvature of the big monitor. You could lower the ring a little. I don't know, Steve. I can, but I think I like this these shadows that it's generating, giving some depth onto my face. Well, let's try it. So that's the lowest I can go. It doesn't make it any better. It's still like some degrees up. It's still gonna cast the shadows under my chin over here. Hey, Sam. Lots of turbulence. Oh, sorry to hear that you had a crappy flight. Filters guide. OBS. Filter hotkeys. Yeah, but this thing doesn't work. And I don't like when something it's set up like it should and it doesn't really work. So let's set it to on. Still doesn't work. Test action. Now just making the sound and the lightning go back over there. Gonna do some grinding later? Or now? Oh, now you're doing great. Grinding. Okay, grandson, good luck with that. All copy 32 LG TV that the rest of my family doesn't even really use. Well, I don't know. On mine, I think it's a 32-inch monitor, which is good, but that it's 4K. Anyone using the Elgato Stream Deck update yet? Steve, I don't have a Elgato Stream Deck. Everything that I'm doing with all these commands and stuff, I'm doing by either commands on chatbot, either hotkeys, either mouse clicks. So I know Matthew has a Elgato Stream Deck. Am I right? And I think other streamers as well, they have it. I don't know. For me, it's just a bit too much, too expensive for something that I can integrate. Oh no, Matthew didn't bought it because I showed him the up deck, which does pretty much the same thing, but 100% cheaper. Exactly, right? Up deck, it's exactly like the Elgato Stream Deck. It's just 100% cheaper. Or 100% less expensive than the Elgato Stream Deck. Yeah, that's true. I don't know about... I don't know exactly who has it. I think also might Tommy has as well. I don't know for sure. By the way, did you got the refund from Tommy, Sam? I'm still waiting for T-Bone to actually redeem his prize from what, 8 days ago? It'd been 8 days and he didn't redeem his winning prize. Elgato 4K Pro International Capture Card. Yeah, that's cool. That's I would give money for that. Also, this is Elgato, right? This nice small thing. I don't have a boom arm for it, but I use Streamlabs decks to switch my scenes and things using a different device. Oh, Okay, you're using Streamlabs. I'm using OBS because it has a lot more things to do. Like this. You cannot have this on Streamlabs OBS, unfortunately. So let's go on. Let's actually see if we can do anything else on the OBS. So type what we can do. We can add a delay. We can add a recording stop. Scene collection. Scene set. Scene or source filter visibility set. I already tried this. Let's try it again. So the source is camera. The filter is goal. Add to OBS and test it. And nothing happens. And because it says value camera. Username, display ID, user color, platform, avatar, badge, has emotes row, read file, random input, converted text. Use variable to automatically replace before sending out the text. I don't have anything over here. So visibility on for goal. Let's see. Test. Nothing. So source. Source visibility set. So this should work, right? Source, scene. Let's go blank. Source, camera. And let's add to OBS. And we're gonna delete this one. And let's see. Test. And let's go to scene. Oh, source, sorry. Source visibility set. Let's go again, camera. Oh, no. Just camera on the source. Doesn't work. So it doesn't work. It's not connected to the OBS. Maybe it's not connected to OBS. OBS Studio, it's grayed out. Why? Why the heck? It's grayed out. So connections. Oh my god. Refresh. Darn it. So maybe that's the reason that it didn't work. Maybe it does work directly over here, so we don't have to do all those crappy stuff. So let's go on the goal again. And let's go on OBS. And for start, let's go scene or source filter visibility set. So camera. Custom chat, blah, blah, blah. Now I can see it over here. Camera. And goal. Oh my god. Visibility on. Add to OBS. Test it. There we go. Oh, I'm so stupid. It was already here. I just had to connect to OBS. Camera, filter, goal. Add to OBS. Test. Oh. Visibility to off. Sorry. Save. Test. Apply. Refresh. Exclamation mark goal. Come on. There we go. Now you're talking. Now you're talking. Good. So we can do some other crazy stuff with the camera, with the other commands as well, like the meltdown. Filters. Let's add another user-defined shader. I'm gonna say meltdown. And let's try some things out, right? So we have let's add, what's this? What's this doing? This is not doing anything. Okay, so let's change this one. ASCII. Oh, I don't really like this one. Okay, we're gonna go aspect ratio. This makes it crap, makes myself disappearing. Background removal effect. Well, it removed myself as well, so that doesn't work. Blink shader. Speed, we can increase to go 6 or 10. I can disappear and appear again with this one. Okay, let me change this one. Bloom shader. What's bloom shader? Ooh. Amplifier. This is making me bloom. Ah! This is good on solar flare, I guess. Not on this one. Burn shader. Speed. Let's go faster. Gradient. Small horizontal, blah blah blah. Speed, iterations, notice it, gradient adjust. It's a bit transparent. It's just a bit of cloud over there that's going by. Okay, so I don't like this one. Cartoon effect. Oh, this is an effect. This is another shader. Okay, so cell shredded. Ooh. This is goal command for dropping eels and albies. Yeah. Color grade filter. Let's see, what's this one? Well, loot amount percent. Okay. Loot scale percent. Loot offset percent. You don't want to offset it too much. You don't want this one. We created meltdown. Oh, I can place a loot. I don't have a loot currently. Okay. Divide, rotate. Oh. What the hell happened? Oh, I'm still there. Alpha percentage. You cannot see me anymore. Apply alpha layer. Add rotation speed. Channel ID. No. Dual effect. Drop shadow shader. I'm gonna have a drop shadow. Yeah, I think I know this one. This is this was kind of cool last time. But where is it? Blur size is limited to max 15. Shadow blur. I'm not seeing any change. Let me check. It's a different one. Not drop shadow. Edge detection shader. Invert. Okay. Non-edge multiply. Alpha channel. We can make it like this. How you doing? Alpha invert. Okay, so let's change this one. We have the emboss shader. Pretty much kind of the same thing, but now I'm transparent. Do I have any transparency on the color correction? No, I have 100% opacity. So I don't know why I'm transparent over here. Fire shader. Okay, but where's the camera? Alpha percentage. This is the speed. Flame size. We have more types, I guess. Yeah, we have two. This one and this one. Apply to image. And now we're having that thing on the face. So we can add this on the meltdown, right? Let's actually see how it looks. Let's go filters. Let's disable this one. Let's go meltdown. And gonna go in OBS. Scene or filter. Source camera. Filter. Hey. Hey. Refresh, please. I'm gonna go and do a manual refresh. So we're not connected to YouTube anymore. Too many refresh requests. Okay, have to wait a bit. There we go. And OBS Studio, it's back online. Alias touchdown for US folks. Okay. Or I can just set it exclamation mark drop and to do that instead of goal. To satisfy European and US. Yeah, could have been hockey as well. What do you say on basket when you drop a hole? Drop a hole when you place your ball into the basket. So let's go in the comments. Meltdown. Bucket. No, it's like when you place the ball into the hole, you say a hole in one on golf, or if you go and on the American football, let's call it like that, and you do a goal, you say a touchdown. Made a basket a bucket? Okay. They don't have, how's it called? Imagination. Unfortunately, on basket. They should name it a bit better. So meltdown, visibility on, add to OBS, and then go on and do the same thing. Oh, what the hell? I pressed enter and definitely didn't go as planned. Yeah, I didn't do anything. So I have to actually select it, but it's fine. Visibility off. Add to OBS. Apply. Refresh. Going back to the commands. On the dashboard to okay. Try meltdown! Try the meltdown command now. Let's see if it works. Okay. The only thing is I turned the lights off myself. Normally we're gonna be like this. Okay, let's see what other shaders we have and what things we're gonna add to it. So I don't know how we're gonna say. Depends on what we're gonna find. So let's see what we gonna have here. Shake effect. Shake effect. Let's see it. The shake effect doesn't really work on cameras. Doesn't do anything. Okay. Night sky effect. Yeah, but where's me? Apply to image. Replace image color. No. Why it's making me transparent? Center with the percentage, alpha percentage. This is alpha percentage, right? This is me. But now I'm not seeing that one, so yeah. That doesn't work. Night sky shader. VHS shader. Oh, this should be cool. Oh, this is cool. Oh. So I can place it to... No, I don't want to place it on a color. Leave it for all the colors. What the OBS ad you're using here? You're referring what plugin I'm using, Steve? The plugin I'm using is OBS shader filter over here. OBS shader filter. So I have multiple shaders that I can apply. So this I'm gonna call it VHS. We'll VHS. We'll see where we're gonna place it, but I do love the effect. Looks cool. Looks really cool. So let's see a different one. 2 pass drop shadow effect. Now zoom blur, we already seen it. Shine shader. Let it shine. Let it shine. reverse, apply to alpha layer, ease, delay percent, speed percent. I'm not seeing anything. Start adjust. Glitch, one direction. Not seeing anything. Nope. Not working. Okay. This is an effect. Corner radius. Oh. 25. Does it make it rounded? Nope. Doesn't look like. Not working on camera. It's some of them. Oh wait, it's not not activated. So it does work. Crap. Let's place back the VHS. Over this. I forgot to add a new one. That's why it wasn't working. So let's go on shine. Gradient. Reverse, one direction. So, glitch. Let's see glitch. Let's go more speed. I can barely see it. That's because of the glitch, right? Yeah, I think the speed is too low. So 30, 20. Reverse. Yeah. Well, it's shining. So I'm getting transparent as well. Ooh. Yeah. Don't like it. So we have spotlight shader. Oh, this is cool. Focus percent, speed percent, so we can go 150 to go a bit faster. Horizontal offset, focus, let's go 20. Oh, this is less. Okay, so let's 10. Or 5. A bit more. Negative focus to create a shade effect. Okay, so if I go -1, it's gonna create a shade effect. If I go 1, it's just a part of me will gonna disappear. Which is cool. But I think it's better to use negative because I do like the lightening it up and placing a shadow that is moving all around. So we're gonna call this one party. It looks like a party over there, right? And we can increase this one to 250. That's a lot better. But it's going too far. If I go with 0, nothing happens, right? Yeah. If I go to 1, I'm disappearing and appearing. Oh, horizontal offset, -10. -1. 1. 3. No. -1. I'm getting super exposed here. Don't like it. So 0. 0 looks good. I just like the shadow. I also like it to be a light increase. Well, it's looking like it's increasing a bit, right? Minus 0.2. 0.7. 5.3. Yeah, just a bit. There we go. So that's all gonna be for the party. And yeah. So let's recap what we did tonight. We added the goal, so we can test it. Okay, we added back the RGB command. We added the exclamation mark color followed by the color that you want to place in the background there, which now will gonna work. We added the solar flare, which activates 2 of these things. So this is a smart plug, a Wi-Fi smart plug, which my lights are connected from the left and the right. And when we go solar flare, it does this. Everything goes white and really bright. And glad that it just lasts for 5 seconds, because if it was longer, it was hard. Then we have the meltdown, which currently I wanted to also close the ring light that over here, but currently it's just doing this. So this was what we did today. We're gonna try to play a bit as well when we have time. Unfortunately, time it's not in our favor, at least this week. Next week I'm gonna be a bit more free, so gonna have more time to do more of this stuff. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do want to support me buying this nice program that integrates all of these things together and makes it a lot easier for me, you have the PayPal link in the description down below. I would appreciate if you do that. I do like it, like I said. For me to integrate this and code would take a long time, and yeah, just time it's money. And I do appreciate that they are still on Discord, on support. So they're gonna integrate my headset as well. We already talked about that. They'll place all the Logitech accessories to be activated inside. Not, for example, I do have the Logitech over here. So when I go inside, I have more keyboards. I have a lot of mouses, right? Well, not a lot. But when I go to headset, I just have these 2, and this doesn't work with the headset that I do have. And on their SDK, I don't know if you know what that means. It's like their library to be able to connect to them. If I go and if I go and activate for all of the things, the keyboard, the mouse, and the headset, do activate a color or effect I'm trying to do, it works. It's just I cannot trigger it for this headset in particular. So either the guys on Logitech will gonna add it, or but the guys from Lumia stream, they said that we're gonna help to add a function for all of the Logitech components to be lightened up as we want with Lumia stream. So thank you so much, guys, for the support, and see you tomorrow on the opening round. We're gonna do it as always at the start of the tournament, and will be only for members, because it's you know why. No why. I'm gonna try, if I have time, if I'm finishing fast, I'm gonna try to do a walkthrough video for the others. If not, I'm sorry. Time, it's like I said, it's not in our favor. But I'm gonna stream the day after some accounts on live streams, so you can take the shot from there, or you can see Matthew in the morning and take it from there as well, because he's playing the shots from Tommy, and those are the shots provided by me. So thank you, everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.